didn't have time to get to the range this week, but I wanted to follow up on some accessories for your precision rifle, something that I didn't cover last week, but I was actually waiting on the products to get here that I ordered from Amazon. So we're going to take a look at the MK Machining polymer throw lever. And they make these for just about every optic that's out there. And it's polymer, it's lightweight. They were somewhere around $20 a piece, which is not that bad. I like how easy they were to install. So I've got 3 optics here with them on it. And we'll go over those real quick so you can take a look at them. This is the Steiner Tactical 5-25, and it's real easy to rotate this power ring with the throw lever on there. Power ring was not too difficult to rotate before because it's fairly loose, but this makes it really easy. The next optic that I have is a Leupold Mark 8, 3.5 to 25, so can rotate that real easy. If I'm behind the gun, I can rotate and change my power easily. Then the next optic that we have is a Steiner Military 5-25. This power ring is a lot stiffer. It was always very hard to rotate before I put the throw lever on here. Now it makes it easy to rotate. So hopefully this information will help you out. It's just something that I thought was an affordable option for a throw lever, and I wanted to share it with you. I have no affiliation with this company whatsoever. It's just an item I found that I'm putting into use and wanted to let you know about it. So I will give you a follow-up on how well they work for me here in about 6 months.